Walk me through the details of what we know about how these talks are ongoing at the moment.
So it's actually an interesting situation. Obviously, we have the merger talks at a level between Deutsche Bank and Commerzbank. It's another German bank, and the subsidiary, the asset management division, DWS. They're also now in exploratory talks, I suppose, with other asset managers about teaming up. It's not unlikely to be a sale, but so each bit of Deutsche Bank seems to have its own little plan to grow, and DWS certainly needs to grow. As you said, it's a scaled business, and I think that's where we're at now.
So what happens next then, Stephen?
DWS, they're in talks. It's unlikely they will make a decision on this before the Commerzbank deal is decided, and that's really what's next. Deutsche Bank has gone on the record to say that they will make an announcement whether or not to go ahead with the talks with Commerzbank before they unveil first quarter results next Friday. So that's going to be really the next big development in all of this saga that we're all waiting for.
Who would be the best fit? Is it UBS? Is it AXA? Or does it not matter?
That's a good question. I think each asset manager has their own advantages. We previously reported Allianz is interested in DWS too. I don't know if they're in talks with them, but that would create a German champion. People have said AXA is strong in France. They would add Germany business. UBS has a strong asset and very strong wealth management business. So each one, and I think the question really is that DWS and the CEO, Asoka Wöhrmann, needs to answer is, where can I get the best for this, given that Deutsche Bank is unlikely to want to sell the asset. So I think it's going to be very tricky negotiations on that.
Will it help at all when it comes to a Deutsche Bank merger with another bank, at least to have this, cash on the books?
Yeah, I do think it's something people have been thinking about. But on the other hand, the willingness among Deutsche Bank management to sell DWS is extremely low. And if they can avoid it, they will, because what they really need is a growth model, right? They've been losing revenue for a long time, and DWS, the asset management arm, has been providing a stable source of both revenue and profitability, profits. So to sell them, many investors would totally hate the idea. And I think it would be a really, really tough decision to make for something as uncertain as a deal with Commerzbank.